Hey guys, this is Tommy Connor with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. We just unwrapped this brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. It has the Abaco blue gel coat on the hull and underside of the hardtop. It's a really sharp look with the white engines and the white rub rail with the stainless insert. Let's go check it out. So starting in the transom of the boat, the first thing you're going to notice is these twin 225 Mercuries. This is the highest option horsepower you can get on this boat. It'll push it nice into the mid 50s. Whaler also does a really nice job of blending family and entertainment features with fishing features. So you'll see you have a ton of rod holders back here, as well as two live wells. You have one here behind the helm seats, as well as one in the corner back there. This boat will also feature a freshwater spray down right here that tucks away nicely. And if you are fishing, you have a ton of space back here. You have two macerated fish boxes. You can also pull out this bench seat if you want to cruise and turn it more into a comfortable boat. Stepping up to the helm here, one of the first things you're going to notice is these helm seats. You have two full-size helm chairs that comfortably fit adults. They also fold up like this to give you a leaning post if you like to drive standing. Otherwise, your traditional seat. Looking forward at the dash, you have a Simrad display, which will have your charts, your sonar, as well as all of your Mercury data integrated. You also have a Simrad VHF, JL audio head unit, as well as Lenco trim tabs. A nice feature of the 25 Outrage is you have a full glass enclosure with an electric vent at the front if you want some additional airflow. You have a glove box up top as well as a glove box down here. And of course, you have the Abaco blue gel to match the hull sides. As we're making our way up to the bow on the starboard side, you're going to have your entrance into your console. This will contain a vacuum flush head, as well as your ignition keys and your battery switches. Another cool option that this boat has is called your trolling seats, which are on port and starboard sides. They flip out if you want them out of the way, but otherwise it gives you a nice seat under the hardtop so you can be in shade. All right, up in the bow area, you have a nice deep seat with storage below. You also have nice index storage that you can use as another fish box. Some great seating up in the bow area, as well as some more storage below. And then you also have your windlass anchor with remote control. You can control this from the remote in here or also from the dash. Thanks for checking out this 2026 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage with us. This boat is available here at our showroom in Pompano Beach. If you have any questions or if you're interested in setting up an appointment to see this boat or any of our other premium brands, we have all sizes and styles, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Tommy Connor and my cell is 419-602-4819. Thank you.